you like the content on our YouTube channel, please subscribe, hit the like button, turn on the notifications, and we'll post daily videos of new incoming inventory. All makes, all models, foreign and domestic. 50 to 70 vehicles arriving every week. We are the premier salvage and repairable vehicle dealership of the Northeast. Right now you're looking at a Jeep Wrangler Unlimited. I believe it's a 2020. We'll double check that in a minute. Has a front end collision damage. 2.0 liter 4-cylinder. As you can see, the engine compartment's in good shape. Doesn't look like it needs a radiator or everything's sitting in place. Got a little damage to the apron here, swayed over a bit. As you can see, it needs the front bumper assembly, the grille, the headlight, hood, left fender. A little damage to the left rear quarter panel here.
I gotta clean up as much as I can because if you get a lot of cars in it, it's gonna be a struggle. Especially if they're gonna start running them. You wanted me that tiny look yesterday?
We'll be selling this with a salvage title.
Why don't we throw good on that white Super Booty and send that
out? Interior is in good shape. Really nice. Driver's side airbag is deployed. Passenger airbag is good. Seat airbags are good. It's got some damage to the frame rail there. Probably why they totaled the vehicle. Let's see if we can see the frame rail on this side. Yep. There was damage to the frame right there as well. Check on the year. Looks like it's a 21. This thing's pretty new. Post on the website soon. Thanks for watching.